Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to zoom in Premiere Pro. So it's gonna be really basic. All you have to do is click on your video and then go to the effect control. In here, you will see position and scale. So click both of them. And then right now we just created keyframe. So what you need to do is you need to go end of your video. And then in here, you can just change the position and scale. So first, just change the scale. So this is for zooming. So all you have to do is just drag down or up. And then you can just change the position. So just drag up. And then here we go. You can just see the Joker. So if you go back to our video and then press play. So as you can see, we just zoomed in. So this is how to zoom in Premiere Pro. See you guys in the next tutorial.